Let me ask you something. Have you ever had a really good product or service? Something you are so proud of. But once you hear the word marketing, your head just starts spinning. You hear people talk about SEO, PPC, funnels, and all these big terms. And honestly, you just feel like closing your laptop and resting. I get it. But today we are going to make it simple, very simple. In fact, by the end of this episode, marketing will make sense the same way it would make sense to a kid on the playground. No pressure, no confusion, just absolute clarity. Let's imagine something. You are 12-year-old and you sell lemonade. The first thing is making lemonade itself, and that's your business. Now, the small sign you write that says Ice Cold Lemonade, there is marketing. Deciding to stand where people are actually passing and feeling thirsty, that right there is strategy. And when someone walks by and you say, it's really hot today, cold lemonade will help you. That right there is sales. You see, marketing is not one complicated magic thing. Marketing is simply letting the right people know you have something that can help them. And that's it. Simple, right? Now, here is where many people get it wrong. They try to talk to everybody. But the truth is, when you talk to everybody, nobody really feels like you're talking to them. Let's say I sell high-heeled shoes. It doesn't make sense for me to market to someone running a marathon, right? I'm looking for someone who has a wedding this weekend to attend. Someone who wants to look good, but also wants comfort. That's the person I'm speaking to. As such, good marketing is really about understanding people. It's about putting yourself in your customer's shoe and saying, I understand what you're going through and I created this specifically for you. And that is marketing. Now I want you to actually do something after listening to this. Ask yourself this one question. What is the one specific problem my business solves? Not something vague or too broad. I sell clothes. No. Say something clearer. Something like, I help busy moms look good in just few minutes. That sentence is powerful because right there is the heart of your marketing. And you may want to do yourself a favor by writing that down. Marketing doesn't have to be loud before it works. It just has to be clear. My name is Wheto, and this is Simplified Marketing. In the next episode, we will talk about something I call the ice cream rule. I know it's not really about ice cream. I will see you in the next episode.